Welcome everyone, this is just a Belgian gamer. Today I am here in a huge abandoned factory. It's called actually Factory OHM, somewhere in Belgium, somewhere in Flanders. And you can see this is one of the giant abandoned halls. There are more like this, and we can enter all these halls. Now, this is just really awesome. Just look at this. Also some old cars over there. And there will also be machinery here, I think. I'm really sure of it. Some old machinery and factory engines and so on. So just follow me here on this Urbex adventure. I'm really excited to check out this place. Well, alright, we have to look out a bit because there is a bus depot, as you can see. But check this out. This is one of the big halls I was talking about. Yeah, this is really huge. Still intact also, not really vandalized or destroyed. So this is really awesome. Oh yeah. This is what we do it for, I think. This exploring and urbexing to find this kind of still intact places. Like check this out, half a train wagon or something. Whoa, really cool, really awesome. This is something special. This hall here, it was meant that there was some kind of train system here. You can see by the rails on the floor. But these tiles here, it's something strange. I think that they painted the trains here or something. Because look at this. Yeah, I really think so. Whoa, this is where they painted the trains. Whoa, that's really awesome. Or maybe they cleaned their trains here too. But you see here, we have a crane system here for water, or maybe for paint. But yeah, so this was used for painting or for cleaning the trains. The trains, yeah, so cool. Wow, awesome. great discovery. I'm really happy with this, I must say. But actually, that's it for here. Yeah, right. So I thought this had something to do with painting of trains, and well, check this out. This is about painting with paint pistols. So yeah, that's what I did here, painting trains. Yeah, awesome, really cool. Well, we just came inside some office building here. I mean, the door was just open, so amazing. But this is the first room, and everything is clean here. Okay, a bit empty, but right here, I mean, look at this door. All right, so nice, intact. So cool. And then look at this, some kind of conference room, or I don't know, but well, this is really cool. So nice. Just check out this table. Whoa, so crazy. It's really antique, I think. So beautiful. Must be really expensive. It's even open. Wow. Yeah, nice. Cool. So cool. Wow. And also this locker here, I mean this chest. Whoa. So cool. There are even lockers inside, but if it's open, I'm not sure. Alright. No, it are just drawings, and of course they are empty. Alright. So cool. Alright. And it looks like it's 8 o'clock, as you can see, on this tower here at this office building. I mean, this is, I am now on the highest point here, and well, there's this giant glass clock, as you can see. So awesome. I think we can go back down and check out the other buildings. Let's do that, people. Alright, as you can see, we came downstairs to the basement level, yep, through here. And this looks still quite good, I must say. I mean, look at the floor, beautiful old style of floor tiles, but they look awesome. I think this was some kind of eating area. That must be the place where all the food was placed upon. You see. And here is even some coffee thermos. Yep. Cool. Nice. And here is some kind of desk, some kind of office, I think. Whoa, crazy to find this place. I'm so happy. This is Urbex heaven, I must say, because everything is still in such a good condition. Nothing destroyed or vandalized. Yeah, still in very good condition. So good. Right, now here are some boxes. Okay, this and some kind of scale models. Whoa! Look at these people. Look at this. All of these